Quickly consult the main indicators of originality of student work with the summary page. Are you a teacher and you want an overview of the main indicators of originality of your students' work? The summary page displays all suspect passages, their quantity in percentage, and their location. The Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus softwares performs the following analyses: similarities with other texts in the same language, and texts for which no language has been identified, which may be indicative of a hidden cheating attempt. With the Compilatio Magister Plus version, you also get similarities with translations and reformulations, and passages potentially written by an AI. Let's look at each of these points in detail. Similarity detection. Similarity detection consists of identifying and quantifying the passages of the document that have similarities with other sources. There are two steps to this analysis: the search for sources, then the full comparison of the sources with the analyzed document. The Compilatio search for sources compares the document to hundreds of billions of web pages, tens of millions of scientific contents, student works, online sources in the same language as your document, and all the documents added to the reference library by users. If you have a Compilatio Magister Plus subscription, you also compare your document with sources that you manually add to your analysis, and in any language from a selection of scientific and academic publications. The comparison between the text and its source. Once the sources have been identified, the entire document is compared with all the sources found. After this comparison, we can determine which passages in the document present similarities. AI detection. Compilatio Magister Plus can identify whether a text has characteristics similar to those of texts generated by artificial intelligence. When a text is deemed potentially written by an AI, this means that it has characteristics similar to texts generated by artificial intelligence. However, this does not constitute proof. Detection of unrecognized languages. Unrecognized languages are passages whose vocabulary does not match the language dictionary. Sometimes, this is an attempt to alter the text in order to escape detection. These text transformations can be invisible to the naked eye. For example, replacing lowercase l with uppercase I changes the morphology of the text and can alter the detection of similarities without the reader being able to see it. Using these indicators. To customize the suspicious text rate according to your needs, you have the possibility to ignore one or more indicators. The suspicious text score is recalculated automatically, and you can restore them at any time. The score of texts between quotes is not included in the suspicious text score. You have discovered the features of the summary page of your Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus analysis report. Continue to explore other tools of the software and video.
Cette vidéo vous a été présentée par mon avatar réalisé à l'aide d'une intelligence artificielle.